I recently learned that Q-Day is coming, and it might be here as soon as 2025. What's Q-Day? A new conspiracy theory? Something with quackers? But no, Q-Day is the day when quantum computers will be able to crack the current encryption protocols that we use on the internet. But there'll also be quackers in this video. Let's have a look. Quantum computers are devices that exploit entanglement between their computational units, the quantum bits or qubits for short. Entanglement is a type of correlation that only exists in the quantum realm. This entanglement correlation can be moved around, and that can be done in many more ways than are possible on a conventional computer. This is why quantum computers can do certain calculations much faster. One of those calculations that quantum computers can speed up is factoring large numbers into primes. Trouble is that the long time it takes to factor large numbers into primes is the base of the currently most common internet encryption algorithm called RSA after its inventors Rivers, Chalmers and Edelman. This and similar encryption schemes all rely on mathematical problems that are easy to create but difficult to solve. It's very easy to multiply two large prime numbers but very difficult to find out the factors given their product. You can use the product as a key to encrypt your data, but if you want to decrypt the data, you need to know the prime factors. You can try getting them by just dividing the number by all possible primes and check whether the result is an integer, but that takes very long time on a conventional computer. The current RSA encryption uses primes of 2048 bits, that's somewhat more than 600 digits in the decimal system. Factoring a number that large on a conventional computer takes trillions of years. A large enough quantum computer, however, could do it within seconds. And that has a lot of people getting very nervous. It's not because the internet will become unsafe. We know encryption protocols that are safe from quantum computers, and efforts are currently underway to switch to those quantum-safe encryption protocols. However, that doesn't solve the problem that in the past a lot of secret data has been encrypted with RSA and similar protocols. If these can be broken, everyone in possession of this data will suddenly be able to decipher it. This is why you can bet any intelligence agency on the planet is currently holding encrypted data from everyone else and trying to get their hands on the first quantum computer to have an early start when everyone begins leaking one's secret data. It's a real threat, and if it happens, it'll be a political nightmare. That's why Q-Day is a headache, not because the internet will become unsafe, but because old data can be deciphered. But just how big does a quantum computer have to be to decode RSA? Estimates from computer scientists say it'll take something like 10 million physical qubits. Physical qubits are the real thing that you have in your quantum computer. They should not be confused with logical qubits, which are hypothetical error-free qubits that are often being used in the computer science literature.
Okay, now you know. Q-Day, beware.